Muscle health and sarcopenia. The human body has two major types of muscle. Striated muscle, found in the musculoskeletal system and the heart, enables movement, posture, strength, and cardiac output. Smooth muscle, on the other hand, controls functions of the gastrointestinal tract, bladder, and uterus. On average, muscle mass accounts for about 40% of total body weight, and resting muscle uses up to 30% of all the ATP, the body's basic energy currency, produced each day. Muscle health is shaped by exercise, diet, hormones, and aging. Because rapid muscle activation requires readily available energy, muscles store glucose as glycogen. They can also use ketone bodies and lipids, fats, and rely on creatine as an additional rapid source of ATP. Muscle growth and muscle breakdown are regulated by mTOR signaling, a pathway that governs cell growth and repair, which is strongly influenced by IGF-1, insulin-like growth factor 1. The IGF-1 mTOR axis interacts with AMP kinase, the cell's main energy sensor, to balance energy supply with muscle-building demands. Essential nutrients, especially the branched-chain amino acids, BCAAs, leucine, isoleucine, and valine, play a critical role in activating mTOR signaling. These nutrients influence whether muscle enters hypertrophy, growth, or sarcopenia, age-related loss of muscle mass, making balanced nutrient availability essential for maintaining muscle integrity. By measuring glucose, lipids, amino acids, and related metabolites in the plasma, targeted mass spectrometry can identify nutrient insufficiencies and metabolic patterns that may impair muscle performance. Understanding these abnormalities allows for personalized dietary and micronutrient strategies aimed at improving muscle function and supporting long-term health. Metabolic imbalances associated with this panel may relate to reduced muscle strength, slower recovery after physical activity, early signs of sarcopenia, or difficulty maintaining muscle mass during aging or stress. Identifying these early shifts can support tailored nutrition and lifestyle approaches that promote mobility, stability, and overall physical resilience.